Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Sujata Show. Today in this episode, I'm going to make a dashi dessert called coconut ladoo in easy and simple way. So here is the ingredient that I used today. You can note down if you want, and now we will start it soon. To prepare this delicious coconut ladoo in the pan, I added half teaspoon clarified butter or ghee and let it melt. If you use heavy bottom pan, so coconut will not stick to the base. And now keep the flame on lowest and added 1 cup desiccated coconut. And roasting the coconut on low flame until it becomes well toasted. So keep mixing it, and it will take 5 to 6 minutes. The most important thing, this will not increase the flame. We will have to cook this on low flame. Going to mix half cup cooked whole milk on it and keep stirring continuous till the milk get absorbed, and it takes around 4 to 5 minutes. And I can smell the aroma of this coconut with ghee and milk in all corner of my house. Now you can see all milk gets absorbed. So it's time to add half cup of sugar powder on it. I'm going to keep mixing it on low flame on it. So once the sugar melts, it will release water. And once all cooked, the mixer will stop sticking to the pan. And we have to careful about one thing, like always cook the coconut properly, else the laddu will become dry or hard. So sugar is melted and cooked with the coconut. Now I'm going to take aside and cool it down for around 10 minutes, and we will be back. So my balls are ready. I'm going to mix the upper part with coconut powder so it looks more good and more delicious. See, like that, like slightly, slowly and very softly. Adding the coconut powder of the outer part of coconut ball. See, like that. I will do all of these the same way. Coconut laddu is ready to serve. See guys, this is like easiest dessert I have ever made. It only takes like 20 to 25 minutes. So you should try and let me know how it was. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching my recipe and video. If you do like my recipe, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And I will be back in next video with new recipe. Thank you so much. See you in